In the Kyrgyz Republic, mudflows are a major disaster risk, damaging infrastructure and claiming lives in mountainous regions. A Japanese firm is helping reduce that risk using chisan planning, a nature-based approach used in Japan.
Chisan is developed over 100 years in Japan because they are very hilly terrain in Japan. Then we are going to apply that kind of technology to that area using mapping and drone videos. Then from capture slope map, we're going to make a design of several countermeasures for that area, like check dams and then terracing work and so on.
This chisan pilot was catalyzed at the Understanding Risk 2024 conference in Himeji, organized by the Tokyo Disaster Risk Management Hub. Backed by the Japan World Bank DRM program, this pilot turns global and Japanese disaster solutions into real-world impact. The Japan World Bank DRM program, building resilience for a safer, more prepared world.